You guys have been requesting this video for a while now, so today I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of these two Dyson blow dryers. This is the new Dyson Supersonic R and this is the Dyson Supersonic Nural. Both of these hair tools are very expensive. The technology is next level on these. The Dyson Supersonic R retails for $570. So it is one of the pricier hair tools on the Dyson website. The Dyson Airwrap ID is $600, so that one is up there as well, but this one is $570. This Dyson Supersonic Nural is $500, so also very expensive. You do get a case depending on which color you get, so keep that in mind on the website. This color does not include a case for the Supersonic R, so I had to put all my attachments and stuff in this other bag that I just had at home. But this Dyson Nural, the color that I got, did include a case. So I did get a nice case with it. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna do a whole blowout, one side with the Nural and the other side with the Supersonic R. So let's get right into it. Let's try a section with each. I am gonna talk about all the features and all the attachments that you get with every single hair tool. So this video is gonna be juicy, it's gonna be long, but it's gonna have a lot of information that hopefully is very helpful if you're planning on purchasing any of these hair tools. This is the round brush that I'm gonna be using today, the Olivia Garden XL. I'm gonna do this side with the Nural. Let's get right into it. A couple things. I definitely noticed that the Nural is a lot heavier than the Supersonic R. If you want something lightweight, you're gonna like the Supersonic R a lot more than the Nural, but I do love the design of this somehow, and it doesn't feel super heavy for me. I do really like this part right here. You're able to place it on your table in between sections, so it doesn't move around, it doesn't like fly away. It's like very comfortable to use, so I really like the design of this. It is definitely heavier than the Supersonic R. I mean, this is so lightweight, probably one of the lighter weight hair tools that I own. Also, if you're a hairdresser and if you're doing hair all day every day, this is probably a better option because it won't make your arms too tired at the end of the day. Okay, so this is the section with the Nural. It looks very nice. It was very easy to use. I really like this hair dryer. Like, the design of it is different than the Supersonic R. So the design of this somehow feels a little bit more comfortable to use than the R. The Supersonic R did give me a pretty quick dry. As you can see, it looks very smooth and I was able to get pretty similar results so far. I am going to be doing all my hair, but so far, I mean, it looks pretty similar. We're going to do all my hair, but first I do want to talk about all the attachments included in both kits. Of course, you get nozzle attachments. Both of these are magnetic. These two are honestly very similar. The only thing that I noticed that is a little bit different is that the Supersonic R nozzle attachment is just a little tiny bit more thin, like more concentrated. Just the tiniest bit though. I feel like they are pretty much almost the same. And again, both of them are magnetic. The diffuser attachments are very different. This is the Nural diffuser. As you can see, it actually detaches. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 diffuser. This is what Dyson calls the dome mode. Dome mode. This is the wave diffuser. So this just infuses hair to enhance natural waves or curls for a more defined finish. This is more for if you have like wavy hair and if you don't need a ton of volume or definition. If you do want more definition and volume, then definitely attach this to the diffuser. This is the diffuse mode, which is going to add volume at the root for textured natural curls and coils. It does have longer prongs, as you can see, to reach deeper into the hair for textured voluminous curls and coils. This is the mode that I've used it in and it really is amazing. It dries my hair so quickly and it gives me a lot of volume. This is the Supersonic R diffuser. As you can see, it is almost the same as the Supersonic original diffuser. Absolutely love the design of this. It is very simple. This is all I need. I definitely never use the other diffuser in the other mode. I always use it in this mode. So for me, this is perfect. I like that this diffuser is very small and it gives you a very concentrated dry. It won't give you frizz. You also get a flyaway attachment with both of these hair tools. They are literally identical. And honestly, I don't really use this too much, but it does include it. So yeah. These are the air drying attachments that you get with each hair tool. This is the Nural and then this is the Supersonic R. Very different, but they give you you pretty similar results. I only use these to like rough dry my hair. I don't really use these that much, but as you can see, this is what it looks like on the Supersonic R, and this is what it looks like on the Nural. Last but not least, you also get the wide tooth comb attachment. As you can see, they are also very similar, but the Supersonic R does have the comb just a little tiny bit shorter than the Nural, as you can see. So they are a little bit different. If you want something a little bit longer, you might prefer the Nural, but honestly, they're almost the same. All right, now let's get into drying my hair. I'm gonna use the Nural on this side and the Dyson Supersonic R on this side. I'm gonna start with the Nural, and let's put a timer to see how long it takes me to do each side. If you have a sensitive scalp, you might like the Dyson Supersonic Nural. This has a scalp protect mode, which is basically a sensor that automatically adjusts to maintain an optimal target temperature for improved moisture retention. So if you want to take care of your scalp, definitely use this attachment first. Rough dry your hair and then move on to the other attachments. It also has the attachment learning, which is a sensor that recognizes each attachment as you use it and remembers your preferences. It also automatically adjusts to your go-to settings. Love the pause detect feature on this hair tool. That is something that the Supersonic R doesn't have, and I wish it did, because every time you place this down, it does kind of pause. It deactivates the heater and decreases airflow. So you won't have to worry about burning yourself with the nozzle attachment or anything. And it also just gets a lot less loud. So that is a big plus for me. It does have 3 speed settings and 4 heat settings. The 4th button is a cool shot. So you do have the settings on the top here, the 3 heat settings and the 3 speed settings right here. And this is the cool shot. The Nural sensors in the machine automatically activate the intelligent features within the hair dryer. So the scalp protect mode, the attachment learning, and the pause detect. I always use this hair tool in the highest heat setting and highest speed just because I feel like it gives me a quicker dry, and I do have very thick hair, so I feel like my hair can kind of handle it. But if you want to customize each attachment, you can definitely do that. You can bring the heat setting up or down. It is very customizable, and honestly, it is also very easy to hold, to maneuver, move around. It also feels very comfortable. It's a little bit heavier than the Supersonic R, but it still feels really good. This is definitely an upgrade from the Dyson Supersonic Original. It has new technology and it also has better attachments in my opinion. Okay guys, it took me 21 minutes to do this side with the Nural. It doesn't look bad. It was very easy to use, very comfortable to use, and overall I think it gave me a pretty good blowout, and it didn't take me too long to do my hair. I mean, it takes me about an hour to do all my hair, 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, 21 minutes to do this side is not bad at all. I will say this side of my hair is less curlier than this side, so it is a little bit easier to do this side. I'm gonna clip all my hair now just so that it's not like in the way, and then we're going to start with the Supersonic R side. So as you can see, the design of the Supersonic R is different than the Supersonic Nural. This design is engineered with 10 heater foils in the curve of the machine. This is going to help heat airflow more evenly for precision styling without extreme hot or cold spots. This is designed to be 30% smaller and 20% lighter. This device has been engineered to dry and style with control and comfort where it's hard to reach. That is the main thing that I noticed about this hair tool, that it is very lightweight, and honestly it's very hard to find a powerful and lightweight blow dryer at the same time. Like, it's very hard to find a blow dryer that is this lightweight and that is also this powerful. This dries my hair so quickly. You guys will see I actually put a timer. It also has the intelligent attachments just like the Nural, so each attachment is preset to the right temperature and airflow range. It has these chips that are going to remember the last use setting with each attachment as well. The Dyson Supersonic R hair dryer features a re-engineered format for a smoother finish and more shine, with up to 46% reduction in frizz. It also says online that these hair tools won't cause heat damage, but you already know if you're adding some type of heat to your hair, I feel like you will get some type of heat damage. But I will say, whenever I use Dyson hair tools over time for a long period of time, my hair does look a lot healthier than when I use other types of hair tools. So yeah, Dyson is really good for keeping your hair nice and healthy. This is Dyson's fastest hair dryer, which doesn't surprise me honestly, because every time I use this hair tool, it gives me such a quick dry, and I can see why a lot of professionals would want to use something like this at their salon. It's lightweight, so it's not going to make your arms tired, and it also gives you a fast dry. So you're able to work on your clients and finish their hair a lot quicker, and your arms won't hurt as much. Because let me tell you, I have tried some other hair dryers that are just so heavy, and after I'm done doing all my hair, my arms hurt so much. And I have used this Dyson Supersonic R about 5 times now, because I just got it not too long ago. But it is very comfortable to use, and it doesn't make me super tired like other hair dryers do. Fun fact, the Dyson Supersonic R was first released just for professionals. I really wanted to get it. It looked so cool, but I was just able to get it now that it's available for consumer. There's no difference in performance between the two. The only difference is that the professional hair dryer has a longer cable, which is ideal for if you work at a salon. But this cable is still pretty long. The cable length on this Dyson Supersonic, the one that I have, the consumer one, is 6 foot, which is really long. It's more than enough for me. It's so lightweight. It's not even a pound. It is 0.7 pounds. Like, what? The Nural is double the weight. So the Nural weighs 1.4 pounds and the Supersonic R is 0.7 pounds. So under a pound. Gonna finish doing all my hair with the Supersonic R and we'll be back with the final look. All right, guys, I'm all done doing my hair. It only took me 15 minutes to do this side, the Dyson Supersonic R side. I am pretty impressed with how quickly this dries my hair, and look how smooth my hair looks. I am liking this side a little bit more than this side. It just looks more smooth, more shiny, a lot more like straight. And this side of my hair is way curlier than this side. So it does take me a little bit longer to do my hair on this side. It takes a little bit longer for my hair to get more smooth. So yeah. The Dyson Supersonic R worked very well on my very curly hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just looks a lot more smooth. It looks more shiny. It just looks more straight than this side. The Nural side looks more voluminous. It also looks really good, but I do notice a little tiny bit more frizz, especially back here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side does look a lot more smooth, even back here. So yeah, it was also easier to reach my hair in the back with this hair tool. The design of this just makes it very easy to like move around and bring to the back, and also it being way more lightweight than the other one helps to really move it around. Overall, I really like the Dyson Supersonic R. I know it's a little bit more expensive than the Nural. I know it's like $70 more than the Nural, but I think it is worth it, especially if you have very curly hair like me. I think you're gonna like the Dyson Supersonic R more than the Nural. Anyways, what do you guys think? Which side do you like better? Do you like the Supersonic R side better? This is what it looks like. Or do you like the Nural side better? This is what it looks like. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to compare any of these hair tools to other hair tools, or if you want me to try any new hair tool that came out in the market. I'm thinking about getting my hands on the T3 Air 360, I think it's called. It's like this new blow dryer that T3 Micro came out with, but it is so expensive. It's like $400. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. If you guys really want me to buy it and do a review on it, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.